this is Insei. I've been working on developing bipedal locomotion for the InMove robot. So to get started, I'm just looking through some Corema tutorials, and I just wanted to show you a couple of my favorite ones. So I'll start off with this pick and place tutorial, and this is something you see a lot in industrial robots. Um, just pick and place components. And this next one is like a toy humanoid robot. I think something about this dynamics is a little bit more advanced, and maybe the model is more complex, so it runs a little bit slower. So I'll give it a second here to start. And there it goes, slowly but surely. There's another humanoid like this, which is a little bit more interesting. I'll show that in a second. This one has like a dance routine, which is pretty cool. And this project is actually the starting point that I used for the InMove project, because it uses STL files for its model. So I took that as an example, and then I built the InMove model from this. Now, Coronoid also has some vehicle examples. So this one's pretty cool. It's of a tank. In the left, you can see simulated camera view, and on the right, the simulated sensor view. I think maybe some sort of ultrasonic sensor or some other sort of range finder. I'm going to go over here to the joystick view and click, and then I can actually drive the tank around, which is pretty cool, because it's almost like a video game. So just driving around this facility. Now, this next sample is actually my favorite of the samples, and it's of a submarine. So you can see it floating there. And I really like this because it works in 3 dimensions. So not only can I float along this plane, but then I can also move up and down like a sub. Another interesting thing I've been thinking about, if you turn off the fog in the water, and you look over to the view on the right, it actually kind of looks like a drone. So I'm kind of curious if maybe sometime in the future, Coronoid could be used to model drones as well. I'm gonna float around for a bit. That's basically it. So hope you enjoyed this. Happy coding, happy building. Bye.